What the hell is that? Oh my god! What's good, YouTube? Today we're playing a game called The Wrong Floor, and this is one of, if not the scariest game I have ever played. So if you're ready to watch me regret every second of filming this video, lock in because it's about to get crazy. Oh yeah, that's better. Better use the elevator. What are we, lazy? Whoa. How do I use the elevator? Oh, there we go. You damn well you would use the elevator. Actually, I have something to admit. Elevators scare me. The only time I used an elevator was in like Vegas. Alright, what floor? What floor do you guys think we live on? What floor are we on now? 8? Let's go to 9. 10? What are the odds there's something here when I open this door? Nope. Are we stuck? Yeah. Flashlight? No flashlight? Hello? You're lying. Do you guys hear the breathing? No, I can't see, dude. Is that a bowl? Something's breathing down there, bro. No, up and over. Over. I have to go in here, don't I? Alright. That's so dark. Please, no. Oh my god. Okay. I'm just gonna book it. Oh, it's so dark. Oh, it's so dark. Oh. Where'd the breathing go? Oh, it's so dark. Do I have a flashlight? Anything, please? Do I go towards the breathing? Please, no. Please. Please. I'm begging you. I am begging you to turn a light on. Am I even moving? Girl, I haven't moved. I haven't moved. I thought I was running. Is there like a wall there? I need to be nice if I could see. No. Come back this way, please. Up. Okay, so are we moving? Are we moving? Maybe I have to go this way? No? Okay. No, we're not moving. Okay, so maybe this way is not the way I need to go. What's over here? What's that? Someone's been smoking cigarettes down here. Okay. So, I'm confused. Yeah, look for a key or something. I can't look for anything in this dark room. Okay. Oh. What's this way? Okay. Okay. There's a rat. There's a rat. And there's a dead body. Okay. Okay. We're good. We're good. You right down there, champ? We're good. We're good, right? Champ. Oh, it's getting dark. Oh my god. Okay. We're good. We're good. Oh, it just cut sound. Oh, we're cooked. Oh, we're cooked. Oh, we're cooked. Oh, we're so cooked. Hello? Oh my god, dude. Hello? Oh my god. That's a wall. So I need to go this way. Oh my god. Oh my god. Are we moving? There's something eating something. Oh my god, that's something big too. Yeah. Am I moving here? No, there's a wall there. Okay, I'm gonna walk backwards. Okay, there's a wall here. Wall. Okay, we're in a corner. Okay. Okay. Oh, we're good. We're good, right? Oh, I hate how dark it is. Was that what that water wasn't dripping before? Up, over. That water wasn't dripping before. So we figured out there's nothing back here, right? Oh, what is that sound? Okay, so if I keep... Wait, maybe there's like a door here? There's breathing back here, so there's gotta be something. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay. Okay. We're good. We're good. We're good. Right? Door's still locked. Oh my god, that's my shadow. Okay. We're good. We're good. Dude, a flashlight would be nice right now. Okay. Do we go back this way? We ain't helping you, big dog. Alright, so bro's cooked. We got that. Okay, down here. There should be nothing. Something's still chowing down back here. Can I move this light? Oh, can I pick this light up? Oh! Oh! Oh, we're cooking. We're cooking. Okay. Okay. Anything in there? Okay, let's go back. Okay. Oh my god! Okay. Alright. There's a door here. Okay, there's a door here. But it's blocked? Maybe I have to like keep pushing. No, okay. 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 Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Alright, we're gonna go back this way. We're gonna see what's down that hallway. Oh. Wait. There was a room down here. Okay. Dude, I'm so sweaty. I'm so sweaty. Alright. Attention, extremely dangerous maniac. 30 years old. Homeless, may hide in abandoned buildings or basement. It's funny because I'm a little behind. I can hear him scream in the other room, so I know what's happening. So it's a homeless guy that we're dealing with. He's been living here. Okay. Okay, looks like we got nothing going on back here. Okay. Can I click this so I can read it better? No? Okay. Is that a hand? Oh. Hey, boss. Okay. Okay. So I think he just went in that door. That locked door. Oh, and he left it wide open for me. How kind. I'm so thankful you left this door open for me. I totally want to follow you. Okay. Ooh. Why is he kind of... Go ahead and hit that exit menu for me. Alright, alright. He just went this way. He just went this way. Ooh, I don't like how dark... There's a door there. Okay, I can hear him breathing. I can hear him breathing. Body kind of T though, that's what I'm saying, bro. Homeless guy fit as hell. Okay, I can hear him breathing still. Babe, you don't have to play this. The code behind the red cabinet. There was multiple red cabinets. Oh, I don't like when the music cut off. It scares me. Behind this red cabinet? Okay, okay, we got this, we got this, we got this, we got this. This is by far the scariest game I've ever played in my life. This is by far the scariest game I've ever played in my life. Okay, red cabinet. There was a red cabinet down here. Okay, we know he's over there, so he probably not over here, right? Right? Oh, that body moved. Oh yeah, he moved. Okay. There was a red cabinet back here, if I'm not tripping, right? Yes, right there. What do you mean behind? Oh, I can hear him breathing again. Okay. Okay, behind red cabinet. Oh, what is that? Oh, I don't like that. He's behind me. He's behind me. He's over here. Okay, he's gonna be over here. Lock in. Lock in. Oh yeah, he's gonna be right around this corner. To my left. Lock. Oh, yep, he's there. He's there. He's there. Lock in. Lock in. Lock in. Lock in. Lock in. He's over here. Let's chase him. Lock in. Chat, lock in. Does he want me to follow him again? Is that what he's trying to do? Lock in, please. Please, 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 please. Okay, he's gone. Okay. Okay. So, I'm gonna take a second here. I'm gonna get a sip of Dr. Pepper. Okay. Why couldn't I be a Fortnite streamer? Why can't I stream Fortnite? Minecraft. Roblox, dude. Anything but this, please. Alright. What red cabinet is the code behind? This one? Oh, something bad's about to happen. Oh my god. Oh my god. Please. Okay. Oh my god. He got in. He's here. I can't go over there anymore. Oh my god, he's coming. Oh my god. Oh god. Okay. Why am I walking in here? Oh. No, 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 get me out of here. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. I can't see anything. Oh my god, I've never been this scared in my life. No, I gotta do it. What are the odds I can just guess the code? Okay, red cabinet, red cabinet. We gotta get the red cabinet. There was 2 red cabinets, right? He's gonna be over here somewhere. There was a red cabinet in here now? Was there anything back here? Yeah, there was. Okay. Red. What the hell is that? Oh my fucking god! Okay. Dude, where could this code be? Where could this code be? They wanted me to come and find that. Because it's gone now. It's got to be here, right? Can I move this? Oh, wait. Maybe I can move this? No. Okay. Maybe that's why they wanted me to look for the red shelf. They wanted to jump scare me. Let's go check the door again. Oh, what is that sound? Oh, I bet something crazy going on in that red room. I bet something's crazy going on here. Okay. Oh, okay. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Okay. He's like stalking me, dude. Nope, still locked. Okay. Do you guys have any idea where the shelf's at? Where the red thing could be at? The one room with the one shelf where the flashlight was. Okay. Here? Oh. 1990. They're gonna jump scare me now. They're gonna jump scare me now. Alright, 1990. Will someone type that in chat for me? I forget things. Okay, I just want to finish the game. Please, 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 please. I think it was 1990. But thank you, just in case. Oh, he's gonna jump scare me. I know he is, because I found that. I know he is. I played so many horror games this past week. I know he's gonna jump scare me. Oh, I know it. Okay. Okay. We're in the door. Oh, come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. Do I use this to pry the doors back open? The only feeling comparable to this is like a spook house as a kid. This is what this feels like. Because you don't know they're at, and you know they're trying to scare you. Can I just hit him? I'm thinking I can use this to pry the shaft back open. No. The wood part, probably the planks. Oh, through that broken area? Or like the door over here somewhere? No, I'm tripping. Is it back here? No, it's not back here. It must have been the other side. Wood planks on the area. Yeah, that was down here, right? Okay. Alright. We all know something bad's about to happen, right? Was that it? Did that work? Power for elevator. Gotcha. Where's he at? Hey, boss man. Could one of you guys screenshot this real quick? Oh, he's making me anxious. Oh, buddy. Oh, boss man. Oh my god, I gotta lock in and hit the button. Where's 2 at? Oh my god. Oh my god. The scariest game I've ever played in my life.